Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, Clinton County, southwestern Greene County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was laid after midnight Chester, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Wilmington, Blanchester, Waynesville, Morrow, South Lebanon, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Martinsville, Corwin, Midland, Bowersville, Port William, Petersville, Melvin, Fort Ancient, Lytle, Lumberton, Mount Holly, and Oakland. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 59.
Oh man.
You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular program for Central Ohio.
Okay, we got
The
it.
National Weather Service in Wilmington.
Shut up, please. Thank you. Where are you?
South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Don't be scared.
Chance of rain 70.
Thank you. I'm happy.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin
jacket on and
County,
everything.
Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated.
You can do that.
Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Pittsburgh, Gahanna, Tiverton, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Beach Hill Trail, and Harbor Hills. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 135. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG.
It's always that damn Perry.
West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County until 5:45 p.m.
Okay.
At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baltimore or near Pickerington, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Purposely pissing me off.
Locations impacted include Somerset, Thornville, and Glenford. Here is a special weather state.
Ross.
With highs in the due to severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lewis County.
Hurry up. Go. Now.
Central Ohio, western Scioto County in south central Ohio, southwestern Ross County in south central Ohio until 7 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Belltown, northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Rome, Belfast, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, Emerald, Blue Creek, Lardon, Sitting Spring, Otway, Concord, and Duncansville. Now here is the
Okay.
showers with a chance of thunderstorms.
Shut up.
It was cloudy at Cleveland and
Okay. Back to your home. Yep. Do it. Mother.
thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with high miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour.
Oh, I set you up. Okay, 1 second. I'm there. Sorry.
National Weather Service. A tornado warning for northeastern Adams County in south central Ohio, northwestern Pike County in south central Ohio, southeastern Highland County in south central Ohio until 6:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Peebles, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Piketon, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Sitting Spring, Poplar Grove, Elm Grove, Smoky Corners, Lake White, Idaho, and Buchanan. Take cover now.
Why are you already
Move
low
to
on
a basement
battery?
or an interior room on the
Charge
lowest floor of
for
a sturdy building.
50 hours.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Put it down,
in
I
a
guess.
mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself
from flying
from
debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILS and submit your report via social media. You can do so safely.
Do it safely. Yo.
Now here,
Thank you.
well.